Today we're going to share with you why good lighting is so important to improve the quality of your videos and show you how we upgraded our lighting setup to this from this. Let's get started. Hey everyone, my name's Taylor and welcome to Level Up Video. If you're new here and want to learn how video can help your business and why quality matters, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Alright, so that lighting at the beginning was pretty screwed up, right? Wouldn't you want your lighting to look amazing just like this every time? Let me show you how we did it. So if you don't have a professional light set like we do, your shot is probably going to look something like this. Some combination of the background looking dull and your subject being too dark. Now normally you would never want to film something like this. It's super dark, it's hard to see, but we're doing this to showcase the difference between bad lighting and good lighting. Something else we've done is we've drawn all the blinds and closed them just so we can control all the lighting in the room. You need to know what you're doing, so we're going to adjust a few things. When filming a subject, you typically have 3 lights. The key light, which is the brightest and will light your subject head on. We use a Godox SL60W with a big diffuser to evenly spread out the light. If you don't use a diffuser, you're going to end up with really harsh light and it'll be really hard for your subject to see. Next we have a fill light, which comes in on either side depending on what kind of shot you're going for. We're using an LED panel light that can adjust between hot and cold looks, and we've attached a diffuser on top of it to evenly spread out the light. This is really up to your personal style, whether you want contrasting shadows or just an extra light to evenly fill in the subject, hence the name fill light. Lastly, we have a backlight, which can give some depth and definition to your subject from the background. Again, we're using an adjustable LED panel light. This one isn't nearly as drastic of a difference as the first two, but is the cherry on top to get that perfect shot. So real quick, let's walk you through all the different phases in order to show you how we achieved this amazing lighting setup. When you're showcasing your business on video, you want to look your absolute best, and we hope this has shown you why good lighting is so critical to that. If you want to learn even more, then make sure you subscribe because we'll be releasing showcases just like this on why good audio and high quality cameras are also super important to making your business look amazing on video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.